Labeling machinery manufacturers generally address the needs of customers with high-volume labeling requirements. But what about those organizations with the medium to low-volume needs? Perhaps a startup organization with a new product they're trying to get off the ground. Maybe it's a large organization conducting a short-run market test, or possibly a new product shaped that is not conducive to traditional product handling. These are just a few issues confronting many production and contract packaging organizations. The answer to all of these questions is semi-automatic labeling. Today, we are featuring the L60 semi-automatic tamp type applicator for flats and oval-shaped products. Also, the R310 for various sizes of round products. The L60 semi-automatic consists of a stepper-driven label applicator mounted on support legs and base platform. The unit includes a made-to-order product fixture and tamp head to apply labels to the product. Multiple product shapes and sizes will have either an adjustable fixture or multiple easy-to-change fixtures. The unit is used in such made-to-order applications as multi-side labeling and a method of applying a label around a small diameter and adhering the label to itself, called flag labeling. The R310 is the most widely used tabletop labeling machine in North America. The unit is platform-based with a product drive motor and adjustable carriage to accept 3/8 diameter products up to 1-gallon containers. In addition to labeling standard cylindrical products, the system can be customized for product orientation labeling, auto-ejection, and conical-shaped product labeling. Let us know what configuration will work best for you. Thank you for your visit, and let us answer any and all of your questions.